Guten Tag, Julie here. Guess what, guys? I'm super excited. I'm packing for my trip to Germany tonight, Berlin to be exact. And this trip is a little different than the past few international trips I've been on. It is extra cold in Berlin, and what I mean by extra cold is it's like 30 degrees. Compare that to Arizona, where it really doesn't get below like 50-ish, and compare that to my last few trips, Ireland and France, where I was in the 50s. 30s is gonna be extra chilly. So I really outdid myself by preparing for the cold weather with layers, with some new shoes, just some great clothing that I wanna show you so that maybe you can take advantage for packing for your next trip that's pretty cold. So again, I'm a backpacker. Everything I pack has to fit in a 40-liter backpack that I carry on, which means I have to plan my outfits pretty carefully, and I do a lot of mixing and matching. So I like colors that go together, that complement each other, that are mainly neutral. Blacks, blues, grays, and actually this time I threw some maroon clothing in because I wanted it to be a little festive. So let's start with what I'm wearing on the plane. This t-shirt, casual t-shirt. I am wearing street smart but comfy and not athletic wear looking pants from Athleta. Now I love Athleta, clothing that really works for all occasions. You can go from the casual office to the street to the hiking trail. I love my Athleta. So this is what I'm going to be wearing on the plane, and it matches with a lot of my other clothes, so I'm going to wear it obviously more than once. I'm going to throw on a hoodie on the plane over this top. It is shade of blue, also just something I'm gonna wear a couple times. Let me show you the shoes I'm gonna wear. So these ones definitely look more street smart. They're black, but they're also waterproof and meant for trail running. So awesome. I'm really excited about these because they're gonna match with a lot of the things I'm gonna wear, and they're also not gonna look too sporty, too casual, too athletic. I love these. These are Tevas. I got them at REI and I got them on sale, so great buy on my part. I'm also really excited about these shoes. So I searched far and wide for a pair of boots that looked cute but were also meant for braving the weather. These are Kodiak. I got these also at REI, not on sale, but worth it because these are waterproof. These are gonna keep me warm. And they're like dang cute. I can also wear these when I'm not traipsing around in the rain or the snow or the extreme weather. These are just cute, and I'm probably gonna wear these all the time, so it was worth the price. 2 pairs of shoes, like I said, and I'm only bringing 3 pairs of pants. So that is the 1 pair I'm gonna wear on the plane and then 2 others. I normally don't bring jeans because they are bulky, but due to the weather, I am making an exception. So I have these super cute Levi's black skinny jeans. And the other pair of pants I have are some really, really cute, like just stretch pants from Adidas that actually have a really pretty like rose pattern. I don't know if you can see it. What else is that they have this like cozy like little layer on the inside. I got these at Costco for $20, and these will go very nicely tucked into my snazzy boots. So those are all my pants. I am gonna bring 1 pair of shorts. These are just athletic shorts that I sleep in. I'll also sleep in this shirt, so my pajamas are taken care of. Let's talk about tops. So like I said before, I'm really into layering. I'm gonna have to be because of the weather. And so I have a couple of shirts that are great for going under things. This top, inside out, but neutral stripes. Got another tank from Athleta. I've got like a plain white tee just to go under some things. Let me show you some of my cute new sweaters. I'm telling you, I kind of went overboard because I am afraid of the cold. Super cute maroon festive sweater I got from Athleta. It's got the little finger holes, which I really love for some reason, but it is a lightweight sweater, so it's super packable and it's gonna be breathable. Another sweater from Athleta, just a black like wrap sweater. Another lightweight sweater. This one is Champion, and it's again my neutral blue. Striped jersey dress. long sleeved, very lightweight, very easy to pack. If you guys have seen my videos before, you will know that I do my own laundry, which means I don't bring a pair of underwear for every day. I bring my favorite brand of underwear called Ex Officio. I'm not gonna show it to you because I think that's a little TMI, but it's a moisture wicking, antimicrobial, fast drying brand of underwear for men and for women. Their whole shtick is that you only need 1 or 2 pairs and you just rotate them. I'm also bringing a couple different bras. Obviously the one I'm wearing, a sports bra, and a bandeau. I always forget how to say it. The other thing I'm bringing is a pair of cozy wool crew socks, just in case my feet freeze and I'm good to go with my unmentionables. Last but not least, what am I bringing for outerwear? This jacket is from Athleta from a couple years ago. I really love this brand. Extra warm, puffy jacket. It's a little bulkier than I like when I'm traveling, but hey, it's gonna be cold. I'm gonna stay warm with this. Again, love this brand because there's so many little pockets. They've got the little finger holes for your thumb that I love because I have really long arms, so I can continue to stay warm. So what I've showed you is everything that I'm bringing clothing-wise, and it's all gonna fit in my backpack, as well as my cosmetics case, plus some other odds and ends that of course I'm gonna need while I'm traveling. Let me show you how it's done. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this is useful to you and that you have some great adventures of your own. Wish me luck. Be sure to keep an eye out on my Instagram and Instagram stories at juliedevivre. And of course, I love to get your comments, and then please also subscribe down here and watch my next video up here. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Ciao. Love you.